2K solar street light. And here's some of the things that I actually found out. It actually beat my expectation, because when I see some of these solar street lights, especially online and stuff like that, I always think that they might not have all the things that I actually need, and they might not be easy to install like that, or you just have to have like a specific thing that you have to use and stuff like that. So I was actually blown away after getting this, and I did an unboxing video for it. So here are some of the things that I actually saw unboxing.